Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Motorists may want to save a little by visiting the pumps today, as the prices of all categories of fuel will again increase effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 more. That's the highest ex-refinery rates for these categories since the start of the year. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will also see an increase of $4.50. Propane and butane will also be replicating last week's rise, selling for $3.06 more. Each petroleum marketing company will of course do their own markup. Jamaica will soon have a shipyard where repairs may be done to vessels. German Ship Repair Jamaica was officially launched yesterday in Harbour, St. Andrew. Javon Keys reports.
Almost $6 billion is being spent to build a facility where work may be done to ships in the Kingston Harbour. The first phase of the German Ship Repair Jamaica GSRJ facility, which should be done by November, should offer a wide range of services to include dry docking and berthing services, steelworks, engine and multiple system repairs and maintenance. Speaking at the launch, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the shipyard is a key part of the country's strategic direction towards becoming a logistics hub.
Jamaica currently serves 12 major shipping lines and has weekly port connections with over 100 port facilities in terms of cargo movement in and out of the region.
He says with hundreds of ships operating in the Caribbean on any given day, the new facility presents an opportunity to also expand the number of vessels coming to Jamaica.
Jamaica has about 3,000 port calls every year, with approximately 180,000 vessels operating within the region annually. And you can see that from the snapshot display. But we get 3,000 of that. Now, I'm not a shipping expert, so I can't make a comment as to whether or not that is small or it could increase. But certainly, to get 3,000 of 180,000 per year, there is clearly a lot of room for growth.
Phase 2 of the project should be completed in another 2 to 3 years. Sagicor is leading the project's financing through a loan for more than half of the project's cost. While GSRJ is already doing what's called wet repairs on ships, Vice Chairman of the entity's board, Charles Johnston, says with a Turkish company on board, a 20,000-ton floating dry dock will be put in place.
Hatsan in Istanbul are experts in repair, conversion, building of ships. We will only be doing repair here in Jamaica. But we are confident that we have gotten the right partner in the technical side that is going to give Martin and his team full support. And it's very, very important when we open our shipyard, whoever owns that first ship is confident that we are going to be able to repair it on time, finish it on time, and at the cost that we told them it was going to cost.
It's expected that the shipyard will also be part of a new training regime. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
After another intervention by the Bank of Jamaica pumping $30 million into the foreign currency market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $154.51. $114.42 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $190.68 for the pound, while it's costing an average $169.50 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index rose by 105 points today, while the junior market index gained 36 points. Among the winners, Lasco Manufacturing, Caribbean Cream, Sterling Investments, Palace Amusement, and Iron Rock Insurance. On the losing side were Margaritaville Turks, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Knutsford Express Services, T-Tech, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.